Hello, this is Simon. Welcome to my channel. Um, Apologies if I sound weird, but on this video we're going to show you how to add Bladesong as an effect on your character sheet. Temporary effects are not supported on D&D Beyond, but we can make a workaround by using a magic item. So let's just go over. Go. Okay, this is a temporary character that I made up, and we just want to add this is a Bladesinger, so we just want to add this effect, or these effects, as something you can just toggle on and off when you need to. And the best way to do that is to create a magic item that does these effects here. So if we go to create magic item, actions, create a magic item. Here we go. Let's create from scratch. Now I already have a version of this that I made like a couple of years ago, so I'm hoping I can remember how to do this. So I'm going to be calling this Bladesong test. You probably just put Bladesong or Bladesinging or however you want to put have it as. I would use artifact for these because they're not really normal items, and make sure it's always at the top of any lists. Although I do have a trick to help the organization, which I'll show you, but in any case, I'd put this as a ring. I don't know. No achievement. Okay. Applies Bladesong effect. I suppose what we could do is copy and paste in here. Because these are links rather than tooltips, it's going to give us an error that we can't publish it. We should be publishing it anyway due to homebrew rules, so it doesn't really matter. Create magic item. Right. And there's not going to be any charges. There's not going to be anything under here that we would use. So we can go straight to modifiers. Okay. Let me just reorganize these because I'm going back and forth a bit. Okay. Gain a bonus to your AC equal to your intelligence modifier. That's simple. Modifier type bonus. I don't know if these drop downs are going to be showing. Let me do something real quick. Okay. I think it was in exclusive mode, which means usually these drop downs wouldn't show up on the thing that records my screen. Anyway, bonus, armor class, intelligence. Save. Yeah, and that's done. Next one, walking speed increases by 10 feet. Nice and easy. Add modifier. I think there is one for reduction. I'm trying to remember how to do this. There we go. Walking, fixed value would be 10 feet. The next effect, advantage on dexterity acrobatics checks. Okay. Add modifier. Advantage. Acrobatics. And save. Next one, and the last one actually, is a bonus to Constitution saving throws to make your concentration on a spell. To maintain your concentration on a spell. The bonus equals intelligence. Okay. Now, we can't do a conditional effect of it being for concentration. Should be in the list somewhere. Come on. Constitution saving throws. Score intelligence. There we go. So this would have the details here. To maintain concentration on a spell. We'd save. Check to make sure that's everything. You don't need to track the number of uses, that's already done by the feature itself. Yep. Okay. So to make sure all set, updates, save changes again. And now we should be good to go. So we can go to our character. Gonna make sure that homebrew is turned on. Settings. Here we go. Give it a refresh just in case. Okay, inventory. Inventory. There we go. Go on, let's start going. Now, let's just test it first and foremost. And there we go. You can see here where it says the +3 bonus to Constitution to maintain concentration on a spell. It is being reflected here. See, con is +2. My intelligence is +3. Adding that. It's adding the +3 to the armor class. Which is why Bladesingers get a huge. You can combine it with like mage armor and shield. So it's a lot. My walking speed has increased. And what was the other effect? And make sure it's thing. Advantage on dexterity. Yeah, acrobatics, there we go. So yeah, it's got the symbol there, so that when you click it, you can see it says the thing, and when you click that, it does bring up the item, showing the details there, so it's a good way to find out why you have advantage. And that's all the effects. But the trick to organize this, because it does just show your normal equipment, you can use containers. So if you were to go to entry, now I tend to use ounce box just because it's already set to it doesn't affect your weight at all, so no matter what you add into it, it'll never affect your weight. Click customize, and here, now if you're on a Windows PC, you can do emojis and stuff by using the Windows and the full stop. I like to use this effect icon, which is just like stars, sparkles, whatever. I label this effects. Put another one in. This tip for doing this came from I Am Supposed To. He does homebrew stuff as well, pretty good. Does stuff with DM's Guild. I'll get a link in the description, check him out. But in the notes, this is for temporary effect. So yeah, I'll still have the description of the answer box, but just this one lines, and you got your notes here. And so with that being said, we can then add this, move to effects. And that way we know that our effects are here. Then we would add things like mage armor in here as well, which I'll just do now. I do have another video where I did mage armor. So that when you cast the mage armor spell, and apply that, and you can see how they stacks. You can get some quite decent boosts for the class. So that's how you do it. Hope this helped. Thank you very much. Yeah, my screen is going to go a bit weird, but here we go. Yeah, there's a setting for it to not do this, but I forgot to turn it on. But anyway, I hope it helps. Thank you.